If getting up from the couch or bed or toilet is a struggle, this new pivot grab bar might just change your life. Scott and Julie here, and today we're checking out the brand new Healthcraft uPole with a pivot bar. It's a tension floor-to-ceiling mounted pole that gives you something stable to hold on to exactly where you need it.
What I really like about this is it doesn't look like one of those clunky hospital bars. It is sleek, it blends into your home, and it actually moves with you.
Let's talk about unboxing. Everything comes neatly packed. You get the pole, the pivot bar, all the tools you need, and clear instructions. It honestly takes just a few minutes to get it set up. The quality of the pole is superb. It's finished without sharp edges. It really feels like a professional piece of equipment.
And installation doesn't require any tools beyond what's in the box. No drilling. You just adjust it between the floor and ceiling, tighten it up, and it's locked into place.
The pivot bar rotates and locks into 8 different positions, so whether you're transitioning from a seated position, stabilizing while walking, or even getting out of bed, it's always within reach.
We've tested it in the living room, bathroom, and bedroom so far, and it really adds that extra layer of support without taking up much space.
And it's not just for seniors. If you've had surgery, mobility issues, or just want added stability, this pole gives you the confidence and balance where it matters most.
It's strong, sturdy, and supports up to 300 pounds, so it's built for real use.
So if you're looking for a practical solution for fall prevention or easier mobility at home, the Healthcraft uPole with a pivot bar is a smart investment.
We are really impressed with how easy it was to install, how stable it feels, and how well it works in every situation.
We're giving this uPole and pivot bar a solid thumbs up.
That's right.